A cash advance in the Dave app gets denied when the system cannot verify stable income deposits or when account eligibility signals fall below the internal threshold used for approval decisions. By the end, you'll know exactly why approval fails, what the system is checking in the background, and what steps actually improve your chances inside the Dave. The first factor is income consistency. The advance feature depends on recurring deposits that look like steady paychecks. If your deposits are irregular, missing, or coming from multiple unrelated sources, the system may not classify them as eligible income for advances. Another factor is account activity history. If your account is new or has limited transaction history, there is not enough data for the system to predict repayment ability. That can lead to automatic denial even if your balance is fine. Verification status also matters. If your identity or bank connection is not fully verified, advance approval is usually blocked until the verification process is complete. Even small mismatches in account details can prevent eligibility from activating. Recent changes in employment or banking can also affect approval. If you recently switched jobs or updated your bank connection, the system may temporarily pause advance access while it recalculates your income pattern. Security signals can also play a role. Unusual login behavior, frequent device changes, or repeated failed attempts can reduce eligibility until the system confirms the account is stable again. To improve approval chances, start by ensuring your bank account is fully linked and verified inside the app. Then check your transaction history to confirm that payroll deposits are being correctly recognized as income instead of transfers. Avoid switching bank accounts repeatedly, because that resets the income tracking pattern and delays eligibility buildup. If you recently changed jobs, allow time for consistent deposits to appear, instead of requesting advances immediately. The system relies on repeated patterns, not single deposits. If everything looks correct, and you still see "not approved," contact in-app support so they can check whether your account is under an internal eligibility hold. To sum it up, advance denial usually comes from unstable income patterns, incomplete verification, or not enough account history. The fastest fix is confirming your bank link, ensuring payroll is correctly recognized, and letting consistent deposits build eligibility over time. The next step is to open your transaction history and check whether your income is being labeled correctly, so you can identify what is blocking approval. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial app issues that usually seem random but follow clear system rules once you understand them.